Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the crypto world, you know that moving assets between exchanges is a key skill. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Tether from Uphold to Crypto.com in 2025. This step-by-step guide is perfect for beginners and pros alike, ensuring you can do this safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have a verified account on both Uphold and Crypto.com. You'll also need some Tether, USDT, in your Uphold wallet. Always double-check that your accounts are secure and that you're using the correct network for transfers to avoid any headaches. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account using your credentials. Once you're in, head to the dashboard and look for the Withdraw or Send section. It's usually easy to find in the main menu. Step 2. Select Tether, USDT, from your list of assets. Uphold supports various cryptocurrencies, so pick the right one. Next, choose the network for the transfer. Options might include Tron, TRC20, or Ethereum, ERC20. For Crypto.com, TRC20 is often faster and cheaper, but confirm what your Crypto.com wallet supports to match networks perfectly. Step 3. Enter the withdrawal amount. Be mindful of any minimum limits and fees displayed. Then, paste in the wallet address from your Crypto.com app. To get this, open your Crypto.com app, go to your wallet, select Tether, and copy the deposit address. Double-check it to prevent errors. Crypto is irreversible. Step 4. Review the transaction details carefully. This includes the amount, fees, and estimated arrival time. If everything looks good, hit Confirm, and follow any additional verification steps, like entering a 2FA code. Step 5. Once confirmed, sit tight. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. Head over to your Crypto.com app and check your Tether balance to confirm the deposit. A few quick tips. Always use the official apps and websites, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. In 2025, with evolving crypto regulations, keep an eye on any platform updates that might affect withdrawals. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Tether from Uphold to Crypto.com. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.